welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm going to explain 6th class Maths chapter 3 playing with numbers. Here, in this, I'm going to explain the concept of factors. Okay, just what is a factor, what are the examples, and based on the concept, a few sums. Okay, now let us see what is a factor. A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor. Okay, just I will write the definition. A number which divides the given number means other number. A number which divides the other number exactly. Which divides the other number exactly is called factor. Now general example, suppose x comma y are two numbers. Okay, now y is divides x exactly. Okay, if y divides x exactly, then y is called a factor. Y is called a factor of x. Then y is called a factor of x. Why? Because y is dividing the x exactly. Some normal example numbers with numerical values. Suppose I am taking 2 and 12 or 12 and 2. Okay, here 2 exactly divides 12. 2 exactly divides 12. Then 2 is a factor of 12. So here, suppose any number 4 I am taking. 4 factors, what we can write? 1, 2, 4. Why? Because 1 divides 4 exactly. Then 1 is called a factor of 4. 2 divides 4 exactly. So 2 is a factor of 4. And 4 divides 4 exactly. So 4 is called a factor of 4. Okay. Now here, based on this concept, we can say few important points. Okay. Here we can say 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. And number itself also. And 1 is a factor of every number, and that is also the smallest factor among all the factors. Okay. Now, number itself also one of the factor. And that is the greatest factor among the factors. Okay. Example. One more. Let us take 3. For 3 factors, what? 1, 3. See, 1 is a factor of 3 and 3 is also factor of 3, and 1 is the smallest factor, 3 is the number itself, 3 is the greatest factor, right? Likewise, we can write factors of any given number. Okay, once take the screenshot. Now here, those points over now, important points, so few numbers are given that I will tell you. See, number and factors. Here I am writing number is factors. Okay, 12, 18, 20, 24. Okay, here 12 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Next to 1 to 18 factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, just I am writing partly. Why? Because I will tell you the important points for this. Already I told you, just once again after this example, if I will tell, you can understand easily enough. So what I said before, 1 is a factor of every number. See, 1 is a factor of every number. And still if you write also, one should be compulsory, it will come. So 1 is a factor of every number. And that is only the least factor among the factors. That is only the least factor among the factors. Next, number itself. See last numbers. Number itself. Okay. Number itself is a factor, and that is also the greatest factor among the factors. Among the factors, this is only the greatest. Number itself. Okay. So that is about the factors. Next one, few questions are given there. Now, here number of factors for given number are countable. This is very important. Number of factors countable means finite. This is important point. So we can find it. We can count the number of factors also. Number of factors for any number, those are countable. That we can call is finite. Okay. Next to prime and composite numbers concept is there in that book. So I am going to explain prime number, composite number. I hope you understand this. Now, prime number. What is prime number? What is prime number? Very simple. The numbers which are having only factors 1 and itself, those are called prime numbers. The numbers which are having the factors only 2 factors 1 and itself. Okay. Here is there in that the numbers those only factors 1 and itself are called a prime numbers. The numbers which have only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. What are those 2 factors? 1 and itself. 1 and number itself. Are called prime numbers. Are called prime numbers. Example. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a up to so on. These are the prime numbers. Why we are calling prime numbers? Why? Because these are having only 2 factors 1 and itself. Only 2 factors 1 and itself. That's what we are calling. These are prime numbers. Okay. These are the examples for prime numbers. Few examples only. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. What is this? Smallest prime number is 2. Important point. Smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. And even also. Smallest prime number and even. Smallest prime number and also even number. Even prime is always 2 only. Even prime is 2. Here among these all prime numbers, even prime number only 2. That is the important point in number. Okay, let's take the screenshot. Next I am going to explain composite numbers. Very simple, quite opposite of this. This is having only 2 factors. No, prime composite numbers means more than 2 factors. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors is called a composite numbers. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers. Okay, numbers having more than 2 factors. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. composite numbers. Example 4, okay, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. These are the few examples for composite numbers. Why? Because here 4 factors 1, 2, 4 more than 2 factors. 6 factors 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 8 factors 1, 2, 4, 8. See, these are all the numbers having more than 2 factors. So we can call these are composite numbers. In this, see, smallest composite number. Smallest composite number is 4. Important point. Okay, smallest composite number is 4. That you should remember. Okay, here few questions are given in the textbook. What is the smallest prime number? Already I told you 2. Smallest prime number is 2. What is the smallest composite number? Now only I told you. Smallest composite number. Important point. Smallest composite number. Composite number is 4. Okay, wait a minute. Here smallest composite number I told you. So smallest composite number very important, that is 4. Okay, very important. And here what is the smallest odd composite number? Smallest odd composite number is 5. Smallest odd composite number. Composite is 5. Smallest odd composite number is 5. Okay. This is about the factor and prime number, composite number. Okay. In this video, this is enough. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel and share to your friends, relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.